Welcome to Everyday Tacoma. I'm Ara, your co-host, and let's get dirty. Today we're reviewing the Lasfit floor mats. Let's see if they can survive Darrell's size 14 boot.
Hey guys, this week we're going to be doing Lasfit floor mats. This is a response to a bunch of you asking me to do this video. It's perfect timing too. I just got probably 9 inches of snow the day before yesterday, and we probably got another 3, maybe even 4 inches last night. So it's nice and squishy and mushy out there. So let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, this box, it came well done. It looks really good from the outside and all. I'm happy with the packaging so far. So let's open it up and see how it does. So this is the first time I've opened this package. I didn't rebox it or do anything. I tried to do as much of this as real as possible when we do the videos. So it's everyday Tacoma. You know, this is an everyday guy doing everyday Tacoma stuff. I'm not doing it in a shop. You can tell I'm in my garage. Yeah, it's not the prettiest garage in the world. And this is the first time I've done a video in my garage. So I'm going to pull the mats out. These right here are, actually these feel pretty decent. This is the rear, this is the rear. It's going to probably take a little bit of forming to make it fit because it's folded over in that, but that's to be expected. So here's the rear. I'm going to pull this off to the side here. So this is the rear, and we'll pull it back here so you guys can see it. So this is the rear floor mat, and looking at it, the feel of it, it feels soft enough to form easily. It looks pretty decent in general. I'm scratching on it with my finger just out of curiosity to see how it resists. Not too bad. I'm scratching on my finger and I rub it with my thumb, and what little bit I'm scratching up just smooths right out. Again, this is the engineer in me that comes out. Looks like it's pretty well done. Trying to figure out how it's cut. I think this is completely injection molded. I don't think it's, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's completely injection molded. There might be a little bit of trimming that's been done. Kind of hard to tell exactly. But it looks deep enough to catch all the water in that. On the back side, it's got all the nubs in it, so it's not going to move around on your carpet very much. I'm kind of excited to try this out. Let's pull out the fronts. Let's see how they look. So this is where it would go up against the side of the hump in the middle, and then right over here, this is going to go over the edges. And I think this is going to work out pretty well. I've been really curious about these mats for a while. So here's the passenger side, and it's labeled passenger side and driver's side. It's going to take a little bit of relaxing to get it to straighten out, but again, that's to be expected. If you can see here, this is the hump side. See how far it comes up on the inside there? Makes me really, it just seems real promising in the way this thing's constructed. I'm happy so far. I'm happy so far. And I'm pretty sure we can put them inside the Lasfit mats. So give me a minute. Okay guys, I just brought my mats in. These are the original mats that I got with my Tacoma. There we go. This here is the driver's side Tacoma mats from the factory. And here, I'm laying it inside. I'm going to try to match them up right there. Right here, can you guys see it? I'll sit there and see if I can put an angle. Here's your original mat. See how it, I'm pretty sure almost everywhere, except for this little piece up here, that the Lasfit actually exceeds the original mat coverage. Pretty good. The original mat feels maybe just a hair more rubbery, and it's construction-wise, it's not a bad mat. Coverage-wise, I think the Lasfit just beats it really well. So that's the driver's side. Let's take a look at the back seat real quick. I'm going to fold this over because this goes all the way across. Okay, so I believe we're looking behind the driver's seat on this side, okay? And I'm going to take, but that's the difference in the two. There's a lot more coverage. Plus, with the Lasfit mat, instead of it being a two-piece design for the rear seat, it's a one-piece design for the rear seat. It's one piece. It goes all the way across. The difference is actually kind of striking. Just offhandedly right now, this is the mat that I would expect from an OEM, not these little postage stamps. But again, it's not a bad mat. It's rubbery. It's pretty well done. I don't think it could even come close to holding the amount of water that these are made to do. So, okay, so that's the unboxing. Okay, let's go put them in. Let's go see what they look like. This is what it looks like with the mats out. You can tell I've got leaves and all that stuff already all over the floor and that, and I'm really hoping that the Lasfit mats will stop that from happening. Let's slide these in and see how they work out, and then I'll show you guys like I did a while ago. Okay guys, that took almost no time to put in. I've got them in. Okay, here we are. We're a little bit closer in. You can see the coverage is a lot better. It covers along the edges here. It's going to take a little bit for this to relax and get into place. It goes up higher around the side. The only one where I would be a little bit disappointed is underneath the gas pedal over there. You can see some of the stuff. Might be a safety consideration on part of Lasfit, because you don't want to get your floor mats entangled in your gas pedal. Okay guys, to make it easier, I put the front seats all the way forward, and you can see this, and I also flipped up the rear seat. This should make it as easy as possible, I think, to get this mat in, and I don't think I'm going to have that much trouble, because there's a lot of room once you do all that. There's no room when you got the seats all the way back though. Okay, I'm about to put this in. Pretty sure it goes this way. Okay, here's the installation here. Okay, this came up really good, goes right up against the edges. This covers, this comes up over the edges. This comes up about as close as you could inside. I guess you could go further, but I'm not going to worry about it. Not bad. Again, this here could relax a little bit. In fact, I'm going to go to the other side here. Give me a second and we'll take a look. Okay, here we are on the other side. Okay, as you can see, this is kind of sticking up a little bit, but it does lay down flat once I push it down a little bit. I see this relaxing pretty easily. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. This was my expectation. This is what I was thinking it was going to be like. I'm not disappointed. I think these are going to work. Okay. Yeah, I think these are going to work. Okay, guys, I think you can tell this ought to work really good. I've got snow all over my boots, and I'm really not worried about my carpet getting wet, with the exception of that one little spot. And again, I think that's a safety consideration on Lasfit's part. But I am happy with this. This looks good. The channels are deep. It feels like it's held in place. It fits really well. And it's formed and all that stuff. I can put my foot up there without sticking it on the carpet. I am happy. I'm going to hand this over to Ara. Ara's going to close this up here. Thanks, guys.
Hey, Lasfit's worth every penny, and it's ARA approved, and the code's on the screen and in the description also.
Ara, can you explain why there's lipstick on my coffee mug?
Hey, if you like that, smash the subscribe button. We drop new stuff every Taco Tuesday. See you next time.